Okay, this is a Ibarmia geared head drill press, model 1B35G, serial number 421P, new in 1993. You've got power down feed, tapping, forward and reverse on the main switch. The head goes up and down. It's a T-slotted table with a coolant pump built in. You're swiveling the head. You can show him that it swivels the head. Oh, you have to bring it up. He cranks it up. It's got a rack in the back. You can swivel it all the way over to also drill something on the floor if you had to. Okay, so swivel it back. Thank you, Angel. Now we're going to run it. Right now we have it in drill mode. You hit the electromagnetic clutch button, it's going down, it hits the bottom, comes back. That's tapping mode. You see the swing in reverse when it hits the bottom. Okay, and then also you can reverse the spindle with the main switch there. Reverse now with the main switch. 2-speed motor. And that's tapping mode. It's drilling mode. It's power down feed. And pops out. Different speed. Hit the power down feed again one more time. Okay. So you saw the machine drill, tap, different speeds, forward, reverse. Thank you for watching the video.